everybody. Good morning. This is SkyTrack 13 meteorologist Sean Ash here, very early with you here on a Thursday morning. I'm just hanging out here, keeping an eye on radar, not expecting anything severe, but I'm going to be hanging out until Mr. Chuck Lofton gets in. He'll take you through the morning. I just want to give you kind of the quick bullet points of what to expect. The wind machine is now here, and we will have non-thunderstorm gusts of 50 miles per hour and greater for the rest of tonight, beginning probably around 4 a.m., lasting through the better part of Thursday. That's how high some of these gusts could be, and that will allow for some power outages and some spotty tree damage. I don't think it's going to be widespread power outages, but there will certainly be some. The cold front moves across the metro area between about 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. As that happens, temperatures will drop into the 40s just in time for the bus stop and the morning commute, but the wind will be the big story here. Now, mind you, the time of taping is just a little after midnight. We've got readings that are still well into the 50s, so we're already at or above our average high for the day. Now, radar continues to show very quick moving showers. Now, this line that's moving in is weakening, and we kind of thought that would be the case. It did produce a wind gust over 50 miles per hour in Champaign, and we still could get some gust in the 50 to 60 range within this band. This is all part of this potent fall storm that's centered over Des Moines now, heading toward Wisconsin, heading toward Lake Michigan, and the gradient wind field around it is going to be rather strong for the next 24 hours, if not beyond. Here's Future Track 13 will get you into the morning, some gusty showers. That line that you see, that is the cold front pushing through. I mentioned temperatures will drop into the 40s. You can see that kind of taking place. And then as we get into 7 o'clock, area-wide in the 40s, very windy stuff. So layer up the kids. Expect, if you got a high-profile vehicle, it's going to be pushing you around all day long. Going to wake a lot of folks up, I believe, too. Here's what's going on. Wind speeds in the 25 to 35 mile range. So that's sustained wind. And then we're going to have these gusts in the 40 to at times 50-plus range well into the afternoon and even early into the evening here. So any way you slice it, and as expected, a windy day. More than likely, it is also going to be a rather cloudy day the way it's shaping up right now. Fairly cloudy conditions for us. We start to clear out tomorrow night into Friday morning, and then I think we'll see some clouds flaring up on Friday. And still very breezy on Friday as well. Want to get into the weekend here. Here's Friday evening, Operation Football. Saturday, right now, we believe area-wide 20s, making it the coldest morning that we would have since late March. And then the weekend, and this is great timing, both days sunny, okay? We're going to be cool Saturday. We're in the 60s on Sunday. Any yard work, anything you need to do outside, do it, because all long-range projections for next week are putting a rainfall bullseye on central Indiana and kind of basically from the Gulf all the way into the Great Lakes. There's going to be a strip of probably 2 to possibly 5 inches of rain. All right, so wet go heading in next week. Windy conditions for today, again, gust 50 to 55. Breezy tomorrow. Frosty start Saturday, sunny, and 62 Sunday, and then getting wet next week. Chuck Lofton will be in. Sunrise starts as early as 4 a.m. Don't forget weather around the clock on our mobile app, as well as WTHR.com.